something about yourself.
Sir, I am Sandeep Hooda from APJ College of Engineering, Gurgaon. I am pursuing my BTech from Computer Science and I am in the final year of my degree.
What's your ambition right now?
So my ambition is to become a successful in this digital marketing field, which is very new to India.
What do you know about digital marketing?
So digital marketing basically is a way to promote our products online. It's an online thing, and in India we have this 50,000 crore digital marketing. So it's very good to me. I pursue this as a career.
Yeah, how digital marketing help you in a career in website developer?
So as web developer, I would like to take care of all these fields in related to search engine optimizations, SMEs, so that I would like to promote my websites digitally, and the ranking of the website would be good.
Yeah, what do you think as a career? What do you think about digital marketing?
So as a career, I want to pursue it. As it's new to India, although it's prevalent in the other countries of the world. But it's new to India, and it's a 1500 crore Indian digital market. So I want to pursue as a web developer.
Yeah. How many digital marketing tools using you right now?
Sir, I use social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, G+, and all the other stuff, including the Flipkart.com, Jabong.com, etc., etc.
Apart of that, any other digital marketing activity you done?
Sir, I am designing the websites so that I would improve their Google ranking by taking care of search engine optimization techniques and the crawler program that we use over there. So I want to do this, and I am pursuing this continuously.
Do you know there in India there are lots of demands in digital marketing professional. So do you searching any institution and any programs which help you as a career developing a career in a digital marketing professional?
Yes, as a web developer, I continuously search over the internet and find the College of Digital Marketing is a new to India, and it's promoting very good, and it's a very good option for learning this.
Yeah, so how these programs help you as a grooming a career and improving your potential in a digital marketing field?
So as this College of Digital Marketing is the first college in India that is going to teach all the modules on the digital marketing continuously and full-fledged. So it's very good, and I'm pursuing
How do you know about the College of Digital Marketing?
So it's through the social networking sites again. We talk about the G+ and the Facebook and LinkedIn, everywhere it's mentioned, and it's good.
Okay, thank you for giving a time and with me.
Thank you, sir.